Here at the Ziegler Truck Shop, we have 4 chassis dynos in different locations. We have diagnostic equipment for all makes and repairs on all makes of trucks. Our customers' biggest concerns are downtime, tooling, and parts.
We can fit your needs with a Class 8, Class 7, Class 6 on-highway truck for repairs, reconditioning, anything you need across the board from bumper to bumper. We pretty much service everything.
We can perform overhauls on your Cat engine, also on your Cummins engine or Detroit. An overhaul will bring your engine back up to spec. You'll have better fuel economy, you'll have more horsepower, more efficiencies, your engine will be covered.
Basically 1 or 2 working days and we can turn a truck around with 3 years of coverage on it. And that's really what our customers are after, is that fast turnaround. And we put a heavy emphasis on working whatever overtime we need to get the job done. The way we treat our customers, the heavy emphasis we put on customer satisfaction, the quality of the Cat engine and the Cat engine parts, and the support we can give the customer. Customer service here is second to none as far as I'm concerned.